Hi Eric, thanks for your question. Hopefully I can clear things up for you. So thank you for your diagram. I think you've drawn it really well. So let me just talk through how it works here. So the air comes up through the handle and through into that 6 mil pipe, I think it is. And it moves through the silicon, so only that pipe comes through that silicon and then down into the bottle. So it mixes with the powder, and as that powder comes back up towards the bottle is actually open here. And what it does is it goes around that tube, back up into the gun, and it can't go back this way because of the silicon, and so it heads past the high voltage rod and out it goes to the workpiece, atomized. So if I was to show you another bottle here, and I have an offcut here of that PVC pipe, you'll actually find that it fits really quite beautifully into the neck of this bottle. And the pipe that we have now with the airflow comes and sits just down into the bottle like that. So as the air goes down into the bottle and mixes with the powder, it comes back up through these gaps and back up to the gun. So if I had to show you the gun itself, so if I open it up here, you'll see that there is a gap up into this pipe here. So the air comes down, mixes with the powder, goes back up through that gap there, up here, can't go back into the silicon and moves back because the silicon is there, goes back up through the gun and out it goes there. So when we're talking about this bottle cap here, what I've done is I've drilled a hole in the top of it and just used a hot glue to be able to hold it in place, because what I want to be able to do is just stop the bottle from going too far up, because I want to maintain the depth here with the bottle, because I only wanted a couple of mil off the bottom there so it can really blow even the last remnants out there. So you can see there that there's a small gap there, just enough for the neck of the bottle, or the gap here, to be able to slide up and through, and it can screw up into that bottle there. So it just slides on, and then it can screw up in there, and it can just hold it in place. So hopefully that answers your question. Please come back to me if it doesn't, and we'll go from there. Thanks, mate.